Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdygirlreviews, and we're back with another Dollar Tree haul, so please stay tuned. You already know my paper towels. They did not have my bonus or my 170 sheets, but I picked up another 100 count just because I prefer it still in comparison to other brands. So yeah, and not bad for $1.25. In their cleaning section, also a cleaning section, kitchenware. Good sense, drawstring, 6 large trash bags, holds up to 30 gallons. They're not my typical go-to, but there must be something with the production or delivery, but nonetheless, it's always good to keep in storage. And they have a really good grip that the drawstring is worth the $1.25. So 6 bags in comparison to my 8 to 10 count, but nonetheless, still a good brand, decent brand. Moving on, also in their kitchenware, we have, now I took off the wrapper, but this was, this is your typical tin. So if you have any pots that need covers and whatnot, stuff you want to leave on the stovetop, still warm, but don't necessarily have a top for it or a lid, you have this option. This is a smaller version. They have bigger versions to this tin top, and it is tin. I hope you can hear. Yes, and so yeah, I thought it was nice, perfect for the Christmas season with this buffalo check, and it has this really nice message, family is everything. And so the bigger version I've used for DIY, but they also have these smaller versions, so this is great for the holiday season. Moving on, and that's in their kitchenware. And moving on to their cleaning section. Yes, finally. I've seen this reviewed by other YouTubers, avid Dollar Tree enthusiasts like myself. This is by Standard Essentials Collection Microfiber Fan Duster. I have been wanting to get my hands on one of these, and yes, you can use them for decorative purposes, for DIYs, but yeah, you can actually use them for cleaning. And so even though it's going to be a loss because I'm sure it's going to gather a lot of dirt, but still, nonetheless, I want to give it a try. I really think it has a good grip, and it's perfect. You want to keep your house tidy, you have this. And also, yeah, if you want to use it for like maybe a Santa Claus beard, then go for it. It's $1.25. You can't go wrong. Also, that can be duplicated for a DIY for Christmas, for the Christmas season, is Standard Essentials Cotton Mop. Now I'm using it for mop purposes because I actually like the last one I bought, and it's really worthy of the $1.25. In comparison to a lot of hardware stores, you will not find them for $1.25. No, it'll at least run you at least between $8 to $10, and it really does have a firm grasp on dirt. So I do give this a thumbs up. If you do come across it in your cleaning section of DIY, please pick one up. It really is worthy. And if you want to do it, people are doing them online. Maybe I can link a video down below as how people are using them to do like a Christmas gnome, using the actual mop as a, to kind of make it mimic like the gnomes, the famous gnomes that are being sold everywhere now, like Target, Five and Below, Dollar Tree. It's a gnome season, y'all. But yes, I do recommend those. Also, if you want faux snow, but I'm going to use it for cleaning purposes because I've bought them before and I have plenty laying around. Also by Standard Essentials Microfiber Duster Mop. Perfect. It really does get a firm grasp, unlike firm grafts, for the cleaning purposes. So I do recommend it. And again, when it gets too dusty, too dirty, toss it and buy yourself another one for $1.25. Not bad. Also, since this has a handle, so I picked myself up another broomstick, mop stick, and it has like this nice screw. I will say the only downside side to it, if Dollar Tree is listening, this needs to be a little more firmer. Like when you get really into the cleaning, it kind of pops off. So if this one pops off, I may have to glue it down with like some super glue, crazy glue. But nonetheless, it still gets the job done in terms of cleaning. Now lastly, the fun stuff. Yes, I picked up some flashing headbands. They've had necklaces before, but this is the headband. Perfect for any office party or impending Christmas parties. with co-workers, friends, families. I picked up 2. This is by their Christmas house collection. I think it's really fun and cute, so I picked up 2. And yes, their Christmas house has great assortment and design patterns for tablecloth, and they really do mimic fabric. So I do recommend it. I've bought others before, and as you can see, it feels like, even just through the bag you can see that it feels kind of like quilted. So yeah, 52 inches by 52 inches. They come in an assortment of designs. This has like a nice like mistletoe kind of thing going on, so I'm gonna love it. I'm gonna probably display it for Christmas Day or Christmas season, and maybe change it for New Year's nonetheless. And dun, 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 if you are looking for Christmas ideas, y'all, I've picked up Flush before in their beauty section, and they had something for contours, and it really, the makeup, it has a thick consistency, so I do recommend it for $1.25. It's unheard of, sorry. So this was a really great find, and now they brought these eyeshadow palettes, y'all. It is 0.7 ounces, 19.8 grams, I believe. And so the palette, the one that I came across today, only came in one particular tone, color tone, and it's entitled Star Shine. I hope that's coming across clear. So I'm gonna open it up so you guys can see. Tell me, I mean, come on, this is perfect for anybody who's getting into makeup, teens, even young adults, even like just a friend, maybe in your age group. But this is just darling. It's like a starburst of colors. You can see the names of every eyeshadow here. Really cute. So let's pop this up open. Yes, and it has like a nice little compact mirror. I don't want the flashlight to hit the mirror, but you can see, and it comes with like a satin finish, a glittery finish, deep plums and hues. This is perfect. If you have brown eyes, purple is your go-to. That's just a little makeup tip from me to you. It really makes the eye pop if you have brown colors. This is such a great find for Christmas if you're just kind of grabbing last minute things for Christmas. We're only like a week away, so this was a beautiful and great find, guys, by Flush. If you come across it at Dollar Tree, snag them, because they're really going fast. With that, y'all, I hope you've enjoyed my quick haul and quick update, and please stay tuned for my next DIY, my next haul and review. I shall be coming back with another installment of my recent reviews and watches. And yeah, if you like it what you see, give us a like, give us a share, leave us a comment below. Hey, tell me, is this darling or what? I'm in love with this. This is great. And they have some really great lashes by Ione, but I didn't snag one. But nonetheless, stay tuned, y'all. And if you'd like to follow me here, hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted of my next video. And until next time, y'all, XOXO. Oh, by the way, before I go, do y'all like these mints? Yes, this is a really cute DIY. Just thought I'd bring some Christmas cheer. Anyway, till next time, XOXO, nerdy girl.